So one of the things I've learned in this journey of mine as going from a business owner to becoming a business trainer and coaching, working with business owners and entrepreneurs, is in many ways we all feel isolated. We all feel like I'm the only one experiencing this. And one of the ways that I see this most often is business owners look at other business owners who on the outside seem very composed and have things figured out, and they go, why is it so easy for them and it's so hard for me? If people only knew how little I knew about the financials and how little I knew about writing procedures, which is these things that are really, really important. I've heard from every book I've ever read, you got to be really good at these things to build a good business. If people knew how little I knew about those things, they would think I'm a complete fraud. Meanwhile, well over 80% of the people I work with have some version of that fear. Where if people knew how little I knew, or if people knew how out of control this business really was, if people knew how limited my knowledge on X, Y, or Z is, they would think I'm a complete fraud or an imposter. And this is where the term imposter syndrome, of course, comes from. The thing that's interesting to me and helpful, hopefully, for business owners who are watching this video is the vast majority of business owners feel that way. There's certain things that we feel isolated in, that we're the only ones who feel this way because everybody seems so composed. But underneath the same facade they have, they're asking the same exact questions. Well, why does this person feel like it seem like they have it all together, and why do I not have it together as well as they do? Meanwhile, everybody's thinking that about the other people because we're all really good at putting on this show that things are very well under control and we have great composure. Meanwhile, deep down, we're all really afraid of being exposed as imposters or frauds, or we're not worthy of the success that might come, or people won't like us if we have to hold them accountable. There's a number of these kinds of fears that are so common, but we all feel only we're the ones going through it.